Gernsbach is nestled in the magnificent landscape of the northern Black Forest in the Morg Valley. It is one of the many small towns in the valleys of the Black Forest that have preserved their old flair. Very well worth seeing is the historical old town of Gernsbach. The old town is located on the hillside on the opposite river bank. The town is referred to as the Pearl of the Morg Valley and is not only known for its fresh air. The place enjoys a picturesque location by the Morg River and its district. Impressive heritage buildings in the historic old town bear witness to the richness of culture and art already exist for a very long time ago. Pleasantly old-fashioned half-timbered houses, fountains, and old fortifications invite visitors to stroll through winding and narrow lanes. Across from the old town hall, which is probably the best known and most beautiful building in the Morg Valley, lies the market square with small bistros and cafes. The old town hall is one of the most important residential buildings of the late Renaissance in southern Germany. Today, it provides a prestigious setting for cultural events and hosts weddings, offering a stylish ambience. This is one of the two steeples that dominate the skyline of Gernsbach, the Catholic parish of Our Lady situated on the highest point of the town. There is a unique stone bridge passing through the roofs of the houses and leads to the cemetery. As I continued to stroll down the city center, I came across small streams along the road. There you will notice the old city wall too. Behind the walls are impressive huge buildings. These buildings played a significant contribution to the town's success and culture and history. Because of their size, they became a landmark of the townscape. Due to its picturesque old town and romantic riverside location, one can freely sit on one of the benches provided on one side of the bridge. You will enjoy watching the scenic background along the river. From this side of the town, walking towards the train station is possible. While on your way, you will encounter the well-known and beautiful Garten. Visitors are welcomed by the huge magnolia flowers, and the garden is decorated with the impressive design fountain and other Baroque-style statues. Gernsbach is a pretty small town and can be easily explored on foot. A walk along the river Morg or through the historic old town is always worthwhile. Gernsbach is definitely worth a trip for all taste and interest. I hope that this travel video serves as an inspiration for your next journey of discovery. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!